Hello students, now I am going to teach you the chapter number 13. The name of the chapter is the conjunction. Students, before starting the chapter, I would like to request you, all of you take out your books. English 1, page number is 30. Take your pencil erasers with you, so you can write the definitions and other things on your notebook. So the chapter is the conjunction. Look at the board. And, but, or. And, but, or. We will study these conjunction words in these sentences. Look at these sentences now. The first is, the dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. Students, here and word is used to join these two sentences. Next is, I want to go to play, but I am sick. Here but word is used to combine these two sentences. Next is it Thursday or Friday today? Or, here word or is used to combine two sentences. In these sentences, and, but, and, or words are used to combine these sentences. And, but, or. Three words are used which are highlighted to combine these, to join these sentences. So, when we use a word to join words or sentences, it is known as conjunction. Here we have used three conjunctions to join the sentences. Let's learn more about conjunctions. Here is the definition of conjunction. Look at this chart, students. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. I already told you that here some words are used in these sentences which joins the words or sentences together. Examples. Let's take some examples for this. Rama has gone and Arjun has come. Here and word join the word, and word join two sentences. Second is do your work or I shall punish you. Here in the second sentence or word is used. It is called conjunction that joins two sentences together. Third sentence is I called him but he did not hear me. But he did not hear me. Here but word is used as a conjunction to join two sentences. Okay students? And let's learn more about conjunctions. When we use these conjunctions, and is used to combine similar ideas or to add information. Understood now? And when we use and as a conjunction, it is used to combine similar ideas or to add information. Next is but. Yes students, we use but to show a difference, or an opposite idea. Understood now? Difference or opposite ideas. but is used to show a difference or an opposite ideas. Next is or. Yes, next is or. We use or to show a choice. To show a choice between two or more options. Yes. Now once again look at these examples. Rama has gone and Arjun has come. We have taken these three examples. Here and is used. In the first sentences and is used, and it is used to combine the similar ideas as Rama has gone and Arjun has come. Next is do your work or I shall punish you. Here or is used to show a choice. Next, third is I called him but he did not hear me. Here but is used to show the opposite idea. So it was the chapter about conjunction. Hope you all understood. Thank you.